Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making peanut butter or groundnut soup. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below for easy access as always. This is the type of peanut butter I'm using. You can use any type of your choice. You can use homemade, but just make sure the one you are using says 0 gram added sugar or no added sugar at all. In my blender, I'll be adding some garlic, onion, and fresh tomato, and also I'll add the peanut butter paste onto it to blend all together. You can also mix your peanut butter separately. I'm just doing this so I can mix everything together easily. Add some water and blend. So now after everything is nicely blended, I'm going to transfer it into my cooking pot and I'm going to rinse my blender, and we are going to start the base of the soup from now. At this point, you are going to do a little babysitting with the soup. You want to be checking on it frequently and stirring it to prevent it from burning. I will also add some tomato paste, and from this point you want to cook the mixture until it is reduced and the oil from the nut begin to separate and settle on top. So making sure that you are stirring it, it's going to splatter, so be careful when stirring. Now you can see the oil starts separating and settling on top, and this is an indicator that you can add water. The amount of water you add depends on how thick or light you would like your soup to be. There are various ways to make peanut butter, and this method is one of the ways. So now we are just going to allow this to cook for about 40 minutes. I'm adding another 1 onion. In total, I use about 2 large onions in this recipe. I added some pepper and I will allow it to cook, and I'll be prepping my protein for the soup. In here, I have my homemade baked turkey, and I will be adding this to the soup at this point. It has cooked for about 40 minutes. I will also be adding some smoked fish and also mushroom. For your protein, you can use any protein of your choice. There is no restriction. You can use goat meat, beef, chicken, any protein that you will like. I'm adding my smoked fish now, and I will take out the onions and the pepper that I put in. Together with that, I will also be adding to the soup. I'll add my anise seed blended and ginger cubes into the soup. To blend the onions, I will add some rosemary and also some black pepper powder. I just want to blend all together nicely before I add together with the pepper. After blending, I will transfer it onto the soup and also give the blender some rinse and add the water to the soup. Now our peanut butter is looking beautiful, smells good, and it's almost done. You can see a lot of the oil begin to settle right now on top. It is also very important to cook your peanut butter or groundnut soup properly before eating, else it's going to upset your tummy. So make sure you are cooking this soup very well. It is easy to make, but if not properly cooked, it's going to cause you your tummy. So now I'm adding my mushroom and also some okra. This is optional. I'm just going to give it a stir, and I'll add some chopped onions and also some habaneros for freshness. The onions will give it a lot of flavor at the end that makes your soup so fresh and flavorful. I added some salt to taste, and I'm just going to allow this to simmer for about 20 minutes and our soup will be done. You can serve your peanut butter soup with rice ball, banku, eggplant, fufu. Anything of your choice will be amazing. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end, and don't forget to give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.